If you are a pizza lover, then this video is for you. In this video, you'll get to know all the tips and tricks to make and bake perfect pizza from scratch. It is soft and fluffy from inside and crispy from outside. Fresh ingredients, herbs and mixed cheese bring out its luscious look and mouth-watering flavors. So please watch this video till end. Let's start making it. In a medium to large bowl, add whole wheat flour, bread flour, or alternatively use all-purpose flour, which is also called maida in Hindi. Then add sugar, salt, instant dry yeast, and olive oil. Here are a few important tips. First, do not get confused with active dry yeast, which is a lower grade product and should be avoided. And use exact measurement of salt for the best result. Now mix everything together and start kneading it into a uniform and smooth dough so that the yeast is distributed evenly throughout the dough to develop gluten. This would take somewhere around 10 to 15 minutes. You can look at this, it is smooth and even. Now cover it and ferment it in some warm place for an hour or until it is double in volume. Another tip to check if the fermentation has done properly or not is press the dough with the finger. If the dent remains or fills very slowly, that means fermentation is complete. If the dough springs back immediately, fermentation is not completed. Now dust the rolling area with some flour and knead it for another minute. Then shape it into smooth round bowl. Tuck the seam in the center of the bottom. Another tip is after shaping it in a ball, allow it to rest for another 10 minutes. Cover it with a damp towel. These steps make it easy to roll out the dough as the gluten is relaxed. Now dust the rolling area again and start to roll out the dough as thin as possible. Then transfer it preferably on a perforated pizza sheet to allow proper air circulation. Once done, cover it with damp towel and rest it for another 10 minutes. Now apply olive oil. Now prick it with the help of fork all over. Then apply pizza sauce and sprinkle some oregano on top, followed by mixed cheese so that vegetable stays intact to the dough after baking. Add your favorite toppings and finish it with sprinkling mozzarella cheese or mixed cheese on top, covering the vegetables. Now bake it into preheated oven on 500 degree Fahrenheit for approximately 10 to 15 minutes or until edges are golden brown and cheese melts and slightly brown. Once you take it out from the oven, let it rest for 5 minutes. Please find the detailed recipe in description box. Please let me know if you have any question in comment section. Relish this delicious pizza with your loved ones. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye. Take care.